everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Lynn here. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome. If you're already an existing subscriber, welcome back. So today's video is a little bit different. It's not a card. I'm actually going to hopefully create something out of this soap dispenser. So I'm using the plastic soap dispenser. I've got my twine and I will be doing some decoration as well. So this is my creation for the Alphabet Challenge 2024 hosted by Hilary at Pink Bubble Cards. So without further ado, I will show you what I'm going to create. So I've got my twine at the ready. I've also got my tacky glue. I've done most of the twine around the bottle, so I just want to show you at the bottom how I've actually created it. So all I'm doing is popping a little bit of the glue around the bottle. Now you don't need to put it on every bit, just on certain bits. And what you want to do is butt the twine up to the previous piece here. So like this, all the way around the back like so. And do that all the way from the top of the bottle to the bottom. So I'm just going to carry on going around. If it kind of doesn't butt up a little bit, just move it that little bit. So there I feel I do need a little bit of glue here. So just go around your bottle like this. I'll just do another row like that, and just so you get it nice and close where you don't have any gaps. I've got sticky fingers doing this, but yeah, they will clean up. Okie dokie, so I've got to the bottom of the bottle, so I'm just going to let that set a bit before I cut it off, and I'm going to wash these sticky, gluey fingers, and then I'll be back. I've washed my sticky, gluey fingers, and I've finished the bottle off. So what I've done here is I've made a lovely flower from the twine, and I've coloured some of it in with my pink marker pens, but I've also left some of the original twine colour underneath. I've then taken one of these little enamel flowers, which was this colour, and I popped that into the centre and coloured that also in the pink colour. I just thought that looked really nice. And then I had these little silver little bits and pieces here, and I didn't really think that silver kind of matched in with the theme of my bottle. So again, I coloured these in pink, and I've popped those on either corner there. And then I've taken another piece of twine and made a double bow, and again I coloured it in pink, but also left some of the original colour of the twine as well. So yeah, that is my gorgeous bottle, and what I'm actually going to do is just pop my beautiful foam flower that I made on the previous alphabet challenge. And yeah, how gorgeous is that? So that is my finished bottle, and that is what I have created for the Alphabet Challenge 2024 using Twine, hosted by Hilary at Pink Bubble Cards. So I hope you have enjoyed my video today. If you have, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I would be ever so grateful for this. And yeah, I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Take care. See you all soon and bye-bye for now.